Welcome guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show how to create a custom hook to display unsaved data changes warning. So whenever a user types in a form and navigates to other page, we will show alert message so that user will not lose the data. So I'm going to show how to create that. So for this I have a sample form which just have one input element. So whenever user types in and try to navigate to other screen, I will show the warning message. So for this I'm just going to make this as a control component. So I'm having on change callback and set the state. This is a basic thing that we actually do it for all the components, input elements in our React application. Now I'm going to create a new hook for this. So why I'm making this as a hook is to reuse it in multiple places with small footprints in our component. So let me create a hook called use unsaved changes warning. Hooks are nothing but just a function which will return few values based on the conditions. Now this will return array of few things. I'll show it in few minutes. So for first we need to know whether what message we need to display to the user. So we'll pass your default message to this function. That's a hook. But here for the browser, when you close the browser, the message is default message that we cannot change. That's a browser default message. Within the React application, we were using React router DOM. For that navigation, we can customize the message. Let me create a state to maintain whether the currently we need to show the message alert or not. Let me call this dirty and a function to update the value of this set dirty. Now if this is dirty, then whenever a user tries to navigate, I will show the alert message, warning message. Otherwise I will not show it. So for this first let's we use effect hook. If whenever this data changes, for closing the browser, there was two actions as I said before. One is browser close event, and the other one is internal navigation between the other menu or routes within our application. So for this I'm going to first write a logic for closing our application. This is window dot on before unload. So we need to return a function to actually show the warning. If the nothing is written, the alert message will not be shown. This is a functionality for showing unsaved changes warning. So if it is set dirty, I will return the message. And I'm going to clear this when the component unmounts. So let's return a function where we will clear this window.on before unload event. Set simply to null. Okay. Now let's focus on React router DOM. So whenever we try to navigate to other pages in our application, we need to show the prompt. So there was a component called prompt that was exported in React router DOM. You can import that, and we are going to use that for this. I'll import prompt from React router DOM. Now I'm going to render this prompt when it is dirty, as like we did it for window.on before unload. So if it is dirty, I will return the prompt, which will accept a property called when. When is used to instruct the prompt when to show. It's like show true false. Wait, I think instead of this accepts boolean, so we'll remove this is dirty and use that inside, pass that as a when property. So that means if it is false, when will be false, if it is true, when will be true. And then the message property, where we have that in our parameter to this hook, we'll pass that. And then we will return this router prompt and function callback to set this dirty. And another function for clearing the dirty thing. So whenever user submits a value, I will clear this dirty. So maybe we can call this as a present state of our application. Now I think we are all done with this custom hook. Now I'm just need to go back to the component and use this hook. So let me import the component and two callback functions from the hook. If you want to send a custom message, you can pass it in this as a parameter, but let me use the default message. So the prompt and set dirty and set press time. Okay, now we just need to render this prompt inside our component. So we can place it anywhere within the component. So let me place it at the bottom of this component. Okay, now whenever user types into the form, I will set this as dirty. And whenever user clicks on submit button, I will set this as a present state, so that once the user submitted the form, he will not be prompted with the warning pop-up. Otherwise, if the form is half filled and not submitted, then we will show the alert warning. So I'll set the name to null when we click on submit button, and then we'll call the set present callback. This will in turn update the this dirty inside state inside the hook. So now let's go back and check the output of what we built right now. Now I was able to navigate since I haven't touched the format. Now I started typing, and when I try to navigate, this is warning me that changes will be discarded. Or if I try to close the browser, again it will show the warning. So you can still leave, or user can still leave, choose to leave the page, or you can cancel it. Now when I submit, if I try to navigate, it will not show the warning. So that means we have set the state to present, so it will not show the pop-up. Now since we type it again and now the state is dirty, it will show.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos like this.